Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, good, and safe at your home. Welcome for today's science class in 7th. We are on chapter number 2nd, that is nutrition in animals and organism. We are on the second part, and in this second part, we are going to cover the topics that are digestion in humans. Under digestion, we'll take 3 points, that's buccal cavity, tongue, and saliva. Let's first take about the teeth. There are 4 types of teeth, beta. First are incisors. You can say 4 incisor teeth are there. Then we can see canines are there. These are very sharp. And then molar teeth and premolars. So let's continue with this. Different shapes of teeth are also there. You can see the wisdom teeth, molar teeth shape, premolars teeth shape, and canines which are having very sharp edges to tear the things, and incisors to cut it. They are somewhat flat. You can see the diagrams which is showing very clearly. So next we will talk about temporary and permanent teeth. Let's talk about the differentiate between them. You'll see this, they are 20 in number. First of all, milk teeth are 20 in number. Then incisor, lateral incisors, canines, premolars, and second molars are there. Third molar teeth are not present in the milk teeth, or I can say in the primary teeth. In adult teeth, they are 32 in number. Central incisors, lateral incisors, canines, premolars, first molar, second molar, and third molars, which is also known as wisdom teeth. Let's talk about the tongue and its function. Function of tongue. First function is the tongue plays an important role for chewing the food, then for swallowing it, then to speech it, and for the taste also. And nerve ending of some of the sense of taste are also present in papillae and widely distributed in the epithelium of the tongue, soft palate, pharynx, and epiglottis. So let's see the figure again of tongue, where we can observe that different of taste can be seen on different corners. And on the tip you can see the sweet taste. Salty taste is over here in these corners, left and right. Then sour taste, which is colored with green color, you can see over here, and bitter teeth over this, which is colored with yellow color. So you can easily learn with this figure different type of taste can be observed in a tongue. So let's start this session again with detail with the book and the notes on the board. In this chapter we are on the topic digestion of humans. In this we have covered first that when we are taking the food through our mouth, it digested and then it utilized all the food what you have taken. All this process goes through a very long muscular organ. That name is alimentary canal, and these alimentary canals has many parts. See, first part of alimentary canal is buccal cavity, second is oesophagus. Buccal cavity is also known as oral cavity, oesophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. These are the parts we are going to cover in the digestion of humans. We have done these 6 and we are going to study them one by one in our topics. Now, in buccal cavity, what happened in buccal cavity? Another name we can write down is oral cavity. Oral cavity, you can say mouth. When you take the food into your mouth, there is a saliva present in your mouth, and this saliva digests the food. How? When you chew the food and then mixes with the food, that method is known as mastication. And in this buccal cavity we have tongue also. The tongue work is this, to digest or mix the saliva with the chewy substance. Next, the tongue is also help us to taste the substances. It helps the movement of the food particles left and right. So tongue has many type of in many ways it is helpful to us. Okay. Then in buccal cavity we have done the mastication. You must be clear with the mastication better, because this definition can be asked you in any exams or any test or any MCQs also. That is, the chewing of food mixed with the saliva is known as mastication. Okay. After that, in this buccal cavity only, we are having teeth. In teeth, we have two type of teeth: permanent teeth and temporary teeth. What are temporary teeth? That the kids get it after the year of 2 to 5. In this age, they get the teeth. And temporary teeth are of 20 in number. They fall down after the age of 8, near about. They start coming near the age of 2 or 2.5 years. Okay. After that, there is the set of permanent teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 in number, beta. 16 upper jaw and lower jaw has 16. I have drawn a structure for you, like a diagram I can say. There are 4 type of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. There are 4 type of teeth. Yes beta. Now beta, we have done with the 4 type of teeth I have named you. First of all, you must know that the hardest substance on this teeth, the white and hardest substance on these teeth are called enamel. Word is enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. Hardest substance. Now, incisors. Incisors are beta 4 in number. They are 4 in number, and they are in our front of the mouth. They used to cut the food. You bite an apple, you bite guavas, you do the use of incisor teeth, right? Okay, they are 4 in number. They are quite flat and sharp also. After that, there comes canine teeth. Canine teeth are 2 in number after the incisors. On both the sides, one present. So these teeth are used to tear the food. When you tear the wrappers of these biscuits, chips, chocolates, right? So you used to use these canine teeth for tearing of the teeth. After these canines, the premolars teeth come. Premolars teeth are just after the canines. On both the sides, they are 2 in number. That means total they are 4 in number. So premolars are used to say, they are grinding teeth beta. They used to grind the food into simple substances. You chew a very big bite and you used to grind it now. That was done with the premolar. Partially it was done by the premolars, and after that the food goes to molars teeth. They are 3 on both the sides. Yes, they are 6 in number. Total they are 6 in number. They grind the teeth. They are again the grinding teeth, and they grind the teeth mostly after the premolars grinding. Whatever the left, they used to grind in it. So these are the teeth, type of teeth we have covered, and these teeth used to come in the permanent teeth session. Okay, we are talking about this. Next is, after the teeth, we are going on the B part, that is section. Section is tongue. Now tongue. What is the tongue? We all are aware with the tongue. It's a muscular organ which is attached from the buccal cavity and free at the free end, last end. And it is free to move in all the directions we can move our tongue, right? So, it helps us in many ways. First, it helps in mixing saliva with food. It helps in mixing saliva with food. Saliva is present in our mouth and it helps us to mix the food with it. It helps to pushing and swallowing the food. What do you mean by swallowing? When you take in the food directly, then it's called swallowing, and it can be done with the help of tongue. And with the swallowing, where it goes to food pipe. Yes, and it helps the pushing and swallowing the food in the food pipe. Next use is to get different taste. Many type of taste we can observe with this tongue, like sour, bitter, sweet, salty, isn't it? We can get the different taste with the tongue. So tongue is very helpful for us. Even it helps us to talk also. Yes, we can help us to talk. Many words we can speak without the help of tongue we can't speak. So next topic is we are going to cover is saliva. Saliva contains salivary amylase. What does it contain? What is this amylase? Amylase is an enzyme which digests the food in the mouth. Which type of digestion is done? The sugars are broken then into starch. Yes, the sugar is broken into starch in our mouth only. That means salivary amylase, this enzyme helps the food to digest somewhat partially in our mouth only with the help of the enzyme salivary amylase. That means it is broken, sugars are broken into starch in our mouth only. So we have done with this topic. Next topic we are going to take the oesophagus in next lecture. Till then, prepare it, learn it. Thank you. Have a nice day.